Hello everybody! We thought it would be fun today to let you follow us around and see what we woke up to today. It's our own winter wonderland in our own little tiny house. We have gotten emails, we've had comments, we've had people asking us questions for weeks now, and we thought it would be fun to allow you guys to just take a quick look and let us explain kind of what it's like to live in a tiny house. So one of the things that people want to know is, has our life changed?
Yes, we have seen changes in our lives. Life is simpler. Cleaning is a huge change. Before, you'd spend hours on a weekend trying to keep the house clean. This is a piece of cake. Literally, you can clean the whole entire thing, including the bathroom, in an hour. Most of the times, you can do a quick sweep in about 7 minutes. So that part of our world has changed so much, and that we really enjoy. A couple other things. In a tiny house, everything has its space. So if you go to Hobby Lobby and you find something that you really like, you got to remember you got to have a place to put it. So when you buy it, you better have that already figured out, or don't buy it. So things like that have changed. The electric bill has definitely changed as well. All of the utilities for this tiny house run about $100 a month, and everything in here is electric, so that has gone down substantially. A couple other things that people wanted to know was, how many windows? 14 windows, 2 of them open. We also have these beautiful panoramic doors, of which we planned from the very beginning that we would like to have these kinds of doors because we wanted as much light as we could get in this space. And we have found that both of those doors have allowed this space to feel very, very open, and you just feel like the outside is right next to you. When it's snowing outside, you feel like you're literally nice and warm, but yet you can touch the snowflakes. So it's a really kind of cool thing. Another thing people were asking about was the insulation, and I'm going to link the other video that he did where he explained a lot about the insulation. But the walls inside of this tiny house have spray foam, but also has it in the ceiling and the floor. And we've also added some extra batting in the ceiling just to give it a little bit of extra. This has not been cold. We have mini splits. It was 9 degrees last night. We woke up at 71 degrees. Everything in here works really well, and it's nice and toasty. And it's our little home, and we love it so much. So if you guys have any other questions, please ask. We'll be glad to try to answer them. If we don't have the answers, we'll figure it out. So stay tuned. We're going to have more on how you can go tiny.